What's up, guys? Today we're going to be trying to throw as many kids as we can out of the map. Alright? Don't tell nobody, right? We can't tell nobody. I'm not talking to you, I'm not trying to be like those. I see it through the video. Oh!
Get out!
Was that a modder?
Come on, you can't just hoard it for yourself.
No.
Yes, you can.
That was a modder.
Wolf one, the guardian, isn't
No,
it?
well, I mean, there is this.
Get out.
Yo! It's not a mod. I feel. Yo! Okay, that's just snowballs. But the other one, you saw me fly up all the way to the window.
What's happening here?
Might have just been a glitch. Oh, he's getting it! You are actually dumb.
That means I'm gonna. Wait, people froze.
I wanna be it.
What?
Okay?
Talk about you.
Come on.
Yeah, he coming. Let's go.
I'm about to go to school.
No!
It's my.
No! It's because that. The guy. Isn't there a guy in there? Something's right. Oh, so where'd it come from? Oh no, someone threw it.
It's my.
Made it. A flying glitch like that.
The code is.
Oh no, there's somebody in them. No, stop it. No! You're gonna let someone else get it! Oh my gosh! Go for everyone else except for one person.
Oh wait.
Yo!
That's luck. Wait.
Oh my gosh, that hurt my hand. Okay.
Wait.
Who's ready to fly? I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. The sky. Finally!
How do you get that money?
I already know. Videos about getting as many people as we can.
Menu button whenever they
Tutorial. And everyone in tutorial.
I have a board.
You're bored?
You're not gonna. I'm not.
No, I'm just gonna put you in tutorial.
Myself.
No, you little boy. That's what the video's about.
No, you son of.
Oh, so glad he fell before he said that.
He's lying.
You little. Dang it. Please tell me you're a model.
What? What?
What?
Ah! Blue! Blue, please. I'm blue, please.
Oh, come on.
Hey, listen to me.
If I don't even have that gold yet.
Hey, you want to go? Oh my god. What's your name?
Ah!
Oh, look at that. That's the ball.
Yo,
How you got there?
Yeah! We got one. I at least need to get one more, then it will end the video.
Orange.
No! Okay, good. Still starting to come up.
Orange. Orange. I'm gonna find the code. Okay. I'm gonna get over there. Ow.
Dang it. I want to get that guy, but he's too smart.
Oh, Oh my.
Wish you could go like this and like, but it comes up.
Oh, I didn't. Alright. It's okay. No. Look. Look.
Yes. We'll take out anyone. We're going to tutorial today, buddy.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Here, I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll
What
show
are you
you.
doing?
I'll show you.
What are you doing? Why?
Oh, shoot.
Leave me alone. Don't be implied. No, please, don't for me to die. I might glitch me. Please don't for me.
Hope it doesn't glitch you.
Just pull me right. Just pull me right there.
Hope I don't turn small.
You're not getting me no more.
We're gonna end the video
Right here.
just like this. Goodbye.